last but not least on the new arrivals is the 1969 International 1200D long bed pickup, medium blue over blue, 111,637 actual miles. Detailed logbook included. You don't see that very often.
Nice.
So the guy wrote down every little thing he did when he changed the oil. And
I do the same thing.
I know. I used to have little books I kept in the side of my seat. Every time I got gas, I had to write it down. Oil, windshield wipers, I had to write it down.
Whenever I hit every 500 miles, I make a little mark.
Make a little note where we were.
That's right.
You could also do that in your Thomas guide out in LA when you had that map. It was like that big old thing. I want to talk to Peter about modern conveniences in cars and electric cars. And
we'll have to have him back on.
We should have him back on, absolutely. So this International's got a 392 cubic inch 4-barrel and a 4-speed manual. And a very uncommon car, but it's a very good-looking truck.
I can't imagine this one's going to last very long. It's
either.
beautiful.
It's really a good-looking car.